Hey guys, this is going to be a short video. As you can hear, I am sick. The allergies have done their work, and I am officially battling some sort of a sinus infection. So whoever said that a few days ago, go ahead with the I told you so. I'm coughing, sneezing. Everything is swollen, my eyes, my face, my throat, my tonsils, my nose is running at a rate at which I cannot even. So I'm kind of taking it easy today. Of course, I had to get up and feed all the animals. I had to go get Baden from school. It's a whole other video. And I'm out here in the driveway currently, trying to get some air conditioning for just a second. Get ready to go in the house and just try to work a little while, rest a little while. This is miserable. I hate it very much. I'm going to take some allergy meds. And I don't feel completely awful, so I'm going to try to still make some content today. It's just going to be kind of hit and miss. And a lot of it will be pre-record. And I may go back, I might dip into the vault and see if I can drag out some old recipes for you guys to enjoy. But anyway, I love yous, and I'll see you all very soon. I really wanted to be a little bit more up and at it today, but unfortunately this is where I'm at. So we have air conditioners running in the house. It's just without the ceiling being completely done with insulation, it's hard to keep the cool air in. Also, too, real quick, guys, I want to talk to you about those of you that are messaging me. We now have I turned it on a few days ago where you're getting some automatic answers. It kind of helps me keep a better handle on it. So when you message me, if you see an answer, and that's good. So yes, Connie Anthony is at work. Yeah. So thanks everybody. I appreciate your prayers. And I'm gonna get off here and I don't know, try to figure out what my next step's gonna be here. I can't work outside today because it's gotten so hot and I don't feel good. I can't breathe good. So probably gonna try to work inside. Alright. See y'all soon.